Afternoon, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. Um, this is February the 9th. It's a little after 1 o'clock. It's about 60 degrees out here right now. They have their opening that they're going in. There's one of their openings up here, and then they have the other little opening down there. This is the blue queen that we made a split last year. She's a queen from a couple of years ago. She was making queen cells, so we moved her out the big box and put her in this little box. And she has been doing real good. Y'all can tell that they done pretty much eat most of their sugar, but it's warming up and I can start putting sugar syrup in here. This is their pollen they have that they've been eating. No pollen, no babies. Get out the shade here. Okay, here's the frame. It's a good brood frame. No eggs in it though. Another frame, no eggs in it. Bottom looks okay. Maybe the blue queen got old. Or too old. Okay, this frame doesn't look like it has much in it either. It has nectar and has pollen. Has a queen cup, nothing in it. We could cut one of those queens. If this one doesn't have a queen, we'll wait another couple of days. I mean, they're calm. Okay, this one has a little brood. Has a queen cup. Don't see any eggs. Well, what I could do that's that one. It has a little cap of brood still in here. I don't see a queen cell anywhere. I don't see any eggs. Don't see any eggs. So what we're probably going to do here is go find a hive that's got some eggs we'll just drop a frame of eggs in here just in case it still has a queen somewhere. She's just been sleeping. This frame here no queen, but it has a little nectar in it. They are now making noise. We made splits off over though. This is the one that we had. We made several splits from the hive. What we're going to do here is not put this last frame in here. We're just going to put these in. Can you hear them now? Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to keep looking. We'll find some eggs. We'll be back. Okay, we're back. I went to another hive who had a blue queen. I didn't know it was a blue queen at the time, but it was. And I took a frame that has brood, eggs, and bees on it. We're going to take it and stick it right in the middle. Come on, girl. Now, if there is a queen in there, they won't make one. If there's not a queen in there, they will make one. So we're going to squirt them down here with some sugar water so they don't fight. Frame here with all the stuff on it. This has got a bunch of nurse bees on it. And we're going to stick it down right in the middle. By the time they clean each other off, they'll all be buddies. The ones that really want to get out and go back to the house, they can do that. And the other hive has the frame that we took out of here. So we'll come back in a couple of days, maybe 3-4 days, see what we got. We'll come back and put some more, I think we'll put some liquid sugar syrup on there. Okay, but this is hive 421. Had a blue queen. Queen disappeared. No eggs. Little brood. No queen cell. So we put another frame in here from, actually it came from Bunny, who was blue queen. Hope y'all enjoy it. Give me a comment on what you think it did or didn't do. Should have done or should not have done. And we'll just keep an eye on these. Y'all have a wonderful day. Give us a thumbs up, a comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Bees deserve it. Y'all have a wonderful day.